Hey Roses, I wanted to share with you guys this quick little unboxing or unbagging of something that I've been expecting, and I'm super excited about it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. You know, why not make a video out of it, right? So let me get this open really quick. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. I'm so excited already. Okay. So this stuff was mentioned to me and sent to me as a gift from a fellow YouTuber by the name of Nevaeh Taisha. Hey Nevaeh Taisha, I'm so excited. So here we go. Okay, these are some products from Annabelle's, which I believe I just started following on Instagram, but I've heard so much about it. Anyway, this is by Annabelle's, and the packaging is so pretty. The packaging, you guys, shows a rose. Does that not fit for me and us here in the rose garden? Oh, and by the way, if you're not part of my rose garden yet and you just now watching this video like, what is she up to? Go ahead and subscribe so you can find out more of what I'm about here, more of what we're up to here, and what I call my subscribers or followers are roses. So anyway, this first item here is an 8-ounce jar of ultra hydrating nighttime cream. I cannot wait to use this. You guys, I have been trying to get more serious about my skincare. For the last 2 weeks, I started this challenge called Water the Rose Challenge, and part of that challenge is drinking a gallon of water a day, or trying your best. Why? So we can clear out all the stuff that's all up in the inside that need to go on out there to the outside, and you know, feel better, improve our skin, improve our hair. More water is good for all of us, right? Right. So anyway, ultra hydrating night cream. I cannot wait to use this, you guys. This has water, distilled rose flower, I assume probably water or oil, no, water probably, safflower, applied to dry skin before bedtime. You guys, my skin is always dry. I mean, always dry. So I will be using this wonderful size jar. I cannot wait. Okay, next item I have here, ooh. It says it's the AHA Complex Facial Gel. Oh, nice. You guys, I like gels. I like, I just recently stopped using a moisturizer by Garnier, and it's in a gel formulation, which I love. I started getting more into gels when I saw I think it was a YouTube video by, what is her name? What kind of thing? Natu Curly. And I think she was mentioning gels because she has oily skin. I have oily skin. And gel moisturizers work wonderfully. So now that I have this AHA Complex Facial Gel, I'm a happy camper. You guys, this is, oh my gosh. This is a big bottle here. Yes. Has water, vegetable glycerin, purified water, apple fruit extract, ooh, bilberry extract, lemon peel extract, orange peel extract. Oh, that's just to name a few. Y'all, this, let me see. Do I want to open it? Because I want to know what it smells like. I mean, all these extracts, all these fruity extracts, you know it has to smell fruity, right? And again, I love how this came sealed, so you know no one's been messing with your stuff. It protects the product so it doesn't accidentally spill out during mailing. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Why didn't I just do it this way? It's something, but I can't really smell anything. I actually do get a hint of some apple. Y'all, I love gels. I love gels. I can feel my skin feeling good already. Okay, next item I have here is a Chamomile and Orange Blossom Facial Wash. Y'all see my face when I read that? Yeah, I'm ready. So it says apply to wet face using fingertips, massage into skin in a circular motion, rinse thoroughly, use twice daily for best results. Okay, let's smell. What I love about this, it has such wonderful ingredients, but it's not overpowering in scent. This has Moroccan orange blossom and Roman chamomile extracts. This has aloe vera juice in it. Oh my goodness. So far, the very first ingredient in all of these items here is water. Can't beat that. Did I say what to do with this one? Oh, it says apply nightly after cleansing. Maybe I did. I don't know. I'm just getting too excited here. So, next item I have here is the... Oh, wait a minute. Do I got two? You guys, I have two of the Chamomile Orange and Blossom Daily Moisturizer. Way too happy here. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Annabelle. Thank you, girl. Okay, next item here is a Chamomile and Orange Blossom Gentle Facial Scrub. Ooh. If y'all could see this up close, it looks so nice. You can see the beads in there. So again, this is also infused with orange blossom and Roman chamomile extracts. It has witch hazel flower. Oh, I like witch hazel, you guys. Such a good astringent. Walnut seed oil. Walnut seed extract. I don't know if I've ever used anything with that. Y'all, I'm smelling everything. Ooh. I just took a tiny bit out and the beads or the seeds. That must be the maybe it's the walnut seed. I don't care. I don't know what it is, but I don't care. I'm going to be using every single one of these, y'all. This is my first time actually having a whole set of products within the same product line just for my skin. Ever in life. Ever in life. And I told y'all my age before. So I'm just now getting to this, but it's okay because it's never too late. Okay, and the last item I have here is the Chamomile and Orange Blossom Toning Gel. Oh, and it's a gel. It's a gel, y'all. Apply to damp skin twice daily for results. I wish I had used this stuff this morning, y'all. But that's okay, because I will. Starting tonight. So this has some of the same ingredients in here. It has the rose in here, plus the chamomile, plus the orange. And you guys, chamomile by itself it just promotes calm. So imagine doing this in the evening before you go to sleep for a nice, hopefully great night of sleep. And then in the morning to start your day, to just get you refreshed, get your mind right, get you going. So again, y'all, all of these products were from Annabelle's. Annabelle, Taisha, you try to make me a permanent customer of Annabelle's. And I've heard so much about Annabelle's. I've seen it all through Instagram. By the way, if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, I'm at Olena Roseanne there. Whoa. Follow me because I'll be posting a little bit of my journey on my Insta stories on Instagram. And I may even try this for you guys on camera. We'll see about it. If you guys want to see me try this on camera, let me know. Other than that, thank you for joining me here. I hope you guys have had a great week. I hope you've had a wonderful May as we close out Mental Health Awareness Month. I want you guys to keep in mind, just because the month is past, mental health awareness never stops. It's a daily thing that we need to bring attention to. And I have a whole lot more on that on my blog, OlenaRoseanne.com. I'm on Instagram all the time. I'm doing Insta stories every day. Pretty much I may miss a day, maybe two sometimes, but never really. But anyway, I'm going through this, and my last blog post is titled Private Tears as a Special Needs Mom. And yes, I am a special needs mom. I told you guys I was going to mention a little bit more of that in my channel. And mental health in particular, because I'm a mental health warrior, so that's why I'm saying Mental Health Awareness Month may be over, but it doesn't mean we don't need to keep the movement going. It doesn't mean we're going to stop the fight against the stigma, okay? So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, and again, if you made it this long, you still haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, share this video, and like it. And I will talk to y'all later, roses. Bye.